Tucked away behind a Victorian-era pub in the Hampstead area of London, the Reciprocal House is a newly completed 280-square-meter family home designed by Gianni Botsford Architects. The house replaces an old, uninhabitable 1860s cottage, while carefully preserving and renovating a historic extension originally designed by Foster Associates in 1969, now known as Foster Plus Partners. This new four-story building was designed to complement the industrial character of Foster's original structure, which featured steel beams, concrete blocks, and large aluminum-framed glass panels. A raw yet refined material expression ties the old and new elements together. Inside, the main living spaces, kitchen, dining, and family room, are located on the ground floor. The upper two levels house 3 bedrooms and a rooftop terrace, while the basement contains a studio space filled with natural light from a dramatic 3-meter-deep light well. The home's interior showcases a series of precisely crafted aluminum elements, including a spiral staircase, kitchen units, wardrobes, partitions, and doors, all custom-made locally in East London. A key visual highlight is the 2-meter-wide circular skylight positioned above the spiral staircase, acting as both a natural ventilation system and a vertical connector between floors, strengthening the sense of openness between inside and out. The facade is wrapped in a perforated aluminum mesh with a soft copper brown tone, offering a warm appearance while providing privacy and solar protection. The roof form echoes the silhouette of the original cottage, but reimagines it with a striking, angular geometry, both inside and out. The design approach taken here is reciprocal, fostering a dialogue between old and new, and between architecture and its surrounding landscape. Gianni Botsford and his team used physical models to explore the spatial relationship with the original building and to craft a harmonious connection to the backyard garden and surrounding tall trees. Sustainability also lies at the heart of this project. The home utilizes high thermal mass concrete to maintain stable indoor temperatures without active cooling. Natural ventilation is achieved through the stairwell and skylight, creating a chimney effect to expel hot air. Entirely gas-free, the house uses an air source heat pump for underfloor heating, along with rainwater harvesting and greywater recycling systems that reuse water from showers and bathtubs for the toilets. With passive design strategies, minimal yet effective material usage, and a seamless blend of historic and modern architecture, Reciprocal House stands as an inspiring example of how future homes can be thoughtfully designed, respecting the past, embracing the environment, and prioritizing comfort. That wraps up our deep dive into the Reciprocal House, a remarkable project that bridges the past and future, function and beauty. We hope this design and its underlying concepts spark new ideas for your own living spaces, spaces that are more contextual, comfortable, and sustainable. Thanks for watching with us here on Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more inspiring home design stories. See you in the next video.